Today on Old Man New Tech, we're taking a look at the Tranya Rimor True Wireless Earbuds. These are pretty sweet. Coming up next. Hey, this is Old Man New Tech, where we take a look at budget electronics from a Generation X's perspective. Why do I do it? Well, I do it to save you money. But I can't do this without you, so if you could, head down below, give me a little thumbs up, hit subscribe, maybe give me a little shout out in the comments section. I really appreciate hearing back from you.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
So today I'm taking a look at the Tranya True Wireless Rimor Earbuds. And it's the Rimor model. See that right there? Rimor. Rimor, say it again. And how I found these was I've spent the last year taking a look at budget priced earbuds. And I've found that they reach a certain level of quality and just don't quite advance to the next level. So I did a deep dive on Amazon and I was able to come up with a decently priced set of earbuds for just under $70 shipped from a company that had great reviews. You can check out the reviews through Amazon through a link down below. And this company also added into the mix a 10mm driver in their earbud that is supposed to give me really rich bass and great sound. And some of the reviews that I read on it said they were almost audiophile level. Now, I'm no audiophile.
No way!
But I'm interested in something that has audiophile level sound to it. So we're going to take a look at these and take a look at some of the features that it has. Now, Tranya claims they have 10mm nanotech coated dynamic drivers that deliver audiophile quality sound. They have Realtek audio codec, so I'll get close to zero latency. And that's audio lag for you kids out there. Good call quality with ENC, which is passive environmental noise cancellation. Each charge will give me about 5 to 7 hours of usage, and a case it'll charge each earbud 4 times total, which will give you a good 28 to 30 hours of usage. Now, these are IPX waterproof to keep your sweat and splashes away, and they're Bluetooth 5.0 with really good range. Also, touch sensitive controls with all the essentials, including volume. Volume control is important so that you can change the volume from your earbuds and not from your phone in case your hands are full or in case you're doing something, cooking, washing the dishes, things like that. So let's see if the Tranya Rimor Wireless Earbuds live up to the hype. Okay, so the Tranya Rimor Earbuds show up in a nice flat black matte box. Great photographics on the front. Shows us that we got a 10mm driver, touch control, HD calling, Bluetooth 5.0, solid connection, and IPX5, which means they can take some splashing and sweating, but definitely not being submerged. And then a long battery life, up to 8 hours continuous playtime, 40 hours total playtime with charging case. Cute little ribbon up top here, allows us to slide this out to show us the goods. So we got a 15-month warranty on these, which means they stand behind their products, and our user manual. Nice box, foam packaging, so the goods have been nice and safe. And I'm going to show you the accessory box here. Inside the accessory box, we find our USB-C cable. Awesome. We've got our multiple silicone tips. The ones that they ship with usually tend to fit for me, but in case you got large or small ear holes, Tranya has you covered. Oh, and here is the case for the earbuds. Case is pretty simple. Simply elegant is how I like to describe them. Flat black matte finish, and we have our USB-C port on the back here, and nice and solid. We've got 4 LED lights here on the front. Inside we have our earbuds. Very cool looking Tron Smart. I like the glassy graphics on the back here. Almost T looking, and as soon as I try to remove one, they start to try to pair to something. So we're going to take care of that here in a minute. Got nice little LED indicator lights here on the front. We're at about 3/4 charge there. There's a 4th indicator light. But again, the earbuds themselves, they do have 10mm drivers in them. So they are a little bit larger than some of the smaller earbuds that I've reviewed here, but not that large. I mean, they do fit flush to my ears. They are magnetically locked inside the case, so they're not going to come out. And the case has that nice satisfying magnetic snap, also not going to open up by accident, and a nice little Tranya across the top there. And so that is everything that the Tranya Rimor comes with. Now, syncing up the Tranya Rimor wireless Bluetooth earbuds is just as easy as, pulling them out of the case and then looking for them on my Bluetooth device. And we're connected, ready to test. All right. Okay, so we're back. We're synced up, and like I said before, they're nice, nice size, not too big, so they should be pretty flush to my ears. Check them out. Pretty flush. Now they're comfortable, very light. Not going to shake loose. Now this is really important. When you put these in, make sure that you've got a nice tight seal. Now, my ears fit with the standard medium-sized tips that are shipped with the earbuds. Yours may be different, but make sure you're getting a nice airtight seal. And if you do, you'll notice that when you talk, it feels like you're talking within your own head. And you'll notice that a lot of the environmental noise is gone. So, something important to consider when you're trying out earbuds. All right, so now we're synced up, and I'm gonna play some Spotify music here. All right. Whoa. All right. About halfway up as far as the volume goes, and they're pretty loud and clear. Whoa. All right, so the Tranya Rimor Wireless Earbuds, they sound good. They sound really good. That 10 millimeters of drivers makes a difference. So I've got really deep bass when I need it, very clear highs, very crisp mid-range too. That sounds really good. I want to listen to a couple more tunes here.
8 minutes later.
Okay, I've listened to a few different types of music now. I've listened to some rap, I've listened to some pop, I've listened to some classical, and everything sounds just excellent on these earbuds. And for just under 70 bucks, I don't think you can beat the sound on them. So you can tell me different down below, but I'm no audiophile, but these sound great. Okay, so now we're gonna call Mrs. Old Man on the Tranya Rimor Wireless Earbuds. Hello? Hi, sweetie. Hi. How do I sound? Okay. Okay. All right, no problem. Okay. All right, so not as clear? Okay. All right, great. All right, thanks, sweetie. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so the call quality, according to Mrs. Old Man, is a little subpar, so not quite the best. Now the controls are touch-sensitive pads. You can hit play or pause with one touch. I can double tap to raise the volume. Whoa, I can double tap to lower the volume. Works fine. So the basic features that I really like, and I can also skip tracks. I can move backwards and forwards. I can call up the voice assist if I need to. All the features tend to work really good on the Tranya Rimors. So we're gonna touch that so I can hear myself talk. But yeah, all the features work really good, and you'll have no problems in that regard. Okay, so charging is quick with a full charge in about 20 minutes in the case. I was playing them at normal volume, and they lasted around 5 hours. So 5 hours of usage out of one full charge, and the case will charge them 5 to 6 times. So you're going to get between 25 to 30 hours of usage out of these.
And now, the final thoughts.
Okay, so my final thought on the Tranya Rimor True Wireless Earbuds. Now, I've reviewed a lot of different earbuds at a lot of different price points. Now, these are coming in just at under 70 bucks, so these are on a little bit of a higher end from what I'm used to reviewing. And I got to tell you though, that little price difference can make a big difference in the sound. These sound excellent. So the call quality, that's my minor quibble. The call quality is not the best. The case itself is beautiful. You know, the call quality is a minor issue for me because I don't spend too much time on the phone with earbuds in my ears. But with the call quality being a minor issue for me, the sound quality is awesome. The controls are very functional. They do what they're supposed to do. And for that reason, I have to give the Tranya Rimor Wireless Earbuds a big thumbs up. Hey!
Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.